street that is Orchard. So we're gonna go right on in. So two garages. So there's a couple of things that just, I'm looking at the outside. There's a couple of things that need to get fixed up. We could probably bring that up just to see if they'd be willing to do any of that. I'm looking at the door too at the entrance. So it looks like there's some stuff that's coming apart. It just needs to get cleaned and re-varnished. But that should be rather simple. Okay, so we're inside and cream colors, and then this is a little bit cool color. Okay, so you walk in and it's this giant staircase. It looks like there's a skylight right up over there. All right, well, here to the right seems to be the dining room. And it looks like there's molding on the sides, which is really nice. Now we're in the kitchen. And they were nice enough to leave us a pizza box. Let's see if they left pizza. Yeah, they did. Oh, so that's been there for a while. Great. Okay, so this is definitely, it's stone. It kind of reminds me of a Marriott breakfast buffet, the continental buffet. Oh, look, boxed wine. Wonderful. Oh, and milk. How long has that been there? It's a Whirlpool appliance, Samsung microwave. Looks like this needs to get cleaned too. GE stove. Looks like that's a router up there. That is Xfinity, so it is Comcast. And we really liked Cocopelli, so that's on the sides over there in the kitchen. It looks like the living room. And there's a fireplace right over there. Some wood that they left behind. Some track lighting over here. So it looks like probably the last time that they did any renovation in here was late 90s, early 2000s, because it's just reminiscent of that style. So there's all that. This is the backyard. We'll go back inside in just a little bit. But that's the house that's in front. The street that goes up and down, that's High Street. We actually sold the house that's right behind that just recently. It listed for 1.1 and we sold it for 1.295. So this is an up and coming area on the south end. Okay, so we're gonna move from the living room. So that's the entrance again. Looks like there's 2 closets right over here. Oh no, that's a powder room. Very good. Clean, somewhat clean. The floors could use a good waxing or buff. It's the coat closet. Let's continue going through. Should we go to the basement first or upstairs? Let's go to the basement. We'll see the nuts and bolts of the house. Carpet. And it looks like that needs to get inspected. Okay, so this needs a good cleaning. I can remember when we talked about the smell test. Oh, it looks like they have a cat. Okay, or they had a cat at some point, and there's a litter box in there. So yeah, this definitely needs to get cleaned out. It needs like a deep cleaning. Wow, so there's a nice kitchen down here. Well, partial kitchen, there's no stove. Yeah, okay. And then laundry, I'm assuming. The alarm, probably the router extension. Okay, good. I guess if you want to see movies or do a PowerPoint presentation down here, that's up there. And let's see. this looks like it's a little, another room. I guess this is storage. Little closet. It looks like there's a cable connection over there, so I wonder if somebody used this as an office maybe, or a media room, or media closet. Okay, so we're gonna head back upstairs. Yeah, so just in summary down here, I think this is just a deep clean is what it really needs, more than anything. It doesn't really like it doesn't really smell like mold. It just smells like it needs a good cleaning. The boiler looks like it's relatively new. It is manufactured in 2013. So if you decide to stay here for longer than a year, it should be good. York HVAC, which is good. So they have French drains. So in the event of, let's touch that to see if that's wet, because we just had a lot of rain. It doesn't feel wet, but you're not in a flood zone over here, so that's good. That's good to know that there's French drains, just in case you ever did run into that kind of situation. Let's keep going. Yeah, just nice deep clean would do it very well. Okay, just more storage space, and they decided to carpet the storage. That's fine. All right, and we're going upstairs again. Okay, we open there. Here, let's check out the garage since we're here. Oh, it's a nice big garage. Let's open that up. See. Okay. All right, good. So I believe this is the principal, I'm sorry, we don't say master anymore, the principal bedroom. And please be big walk-in closets. Well, they're somewhat big. Ooh. Tie racks, belt racks, as it were. Okay. Good. All right. Ooh. Yes, the 90s, right? Yes. Okay. Great. Yeah, I mean, the cleaning, deep cleaning, you know, I think that'll make it go far. Wonderful. Okay, well, so I hope you enjoyed this tour, and yeah, let me know what you think if you want to take a look at it in person, or if you'll pass, and we'll keep on looking. Okay, bye.